Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. Today, we will be solving the inequality negative 4p plus 7 is less than 15. We will go step by step to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality minus 4p plus 7 is less than 15, we begin with step 1. Our goal is to isolate the variable p by first manipulating the constants. In the expression minus 4p plus 7 is less than 15, we need to get rid of the 7 on the left side. To accomplish this, we will subtract 7 from both sides of the inequality. So subtract 7 from the left side, which removes the plus 7, and subtract 7 from the right side. This action changes the inequality to minus 4p on the left side and 15 minus 7 on the right side. The left side now reads minus 4p, and subtracting 7 from 15 gives us 8 on the right side. Thus, the new inequality is minus 4p is less than 8. Our next steps will involve isolating p by dealing with the coefficient minus 4, but for now, we have successfully simplified the inequality to minus 4p is less than 8. Step 2. Now that we have the inequality minus 4p is less than 8, we need to isolate the variable p. To do this, we will divide both sides of the inequality by minus 4, which is the coefficient of p. When dividing or multiplying both sides of an inequality by a negative number, it is crucial to remember that the direction of the inequality sign must be reversed. So we divide the left side by minus 4 and the right side by minus 4. This gives us p on the left side and 8 divided by minus 4 on the right side. Since we are dividing by a negative number, we reverse the inequality sign. The new inequality reads p is greater than 8 divided by minus 4. Simplifying 8 divided by minus 4 gives us minus 2. Therefore, the inequality p is greater than minus 2 is our final solution. In interval notation, we express this solution as the interval from minus 2 to positive infinity. To summarize, the solution to the inequality is p is greater than minus 2, written in interval notation as open interval minus 2 to positive infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.